Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty, and today is February 28th, and I am at the open house of 10803 Muirfield Court here in the beautiful promenade section of Triple Crown in the heart of Union, Kentucky. This is centrally located within just a couple of minutes of the new Publix here in Triple Crown, just 5-10 minutes to the Union Kroger. There's plenty of restaurants around here. This home has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, 2 half bath. It has a 1-car garage. It's got a walkout deck from the main level with a covered patio from the bottom level. This condo also offers one of the lowest HOA fees here in northern Kentucky, and it also has the lower Boone County tax rate. So if you're in the market for a very nice condo, you have to come out and see this. If you have any questions or like a private showing, reach out to me, 859-393-4879, or you can drop me a line at kennys@nkyhomes.com. Hey, I look forward to talking to you.